Hi and welcome to Landink Garden Design. My name is Rob. I'm a landscape designer based in Eastern Canada. I've started this YouTube channel to basically bring my expertise to the masses. I've been a landscape designer now for well over 7 years, and I really want to use YouTube as a platform to showcase some of the projects that I've worked on, some future projects that we're going to be working on, and also to lend my expertise to people that maybe are looking to do their own landscape design. So if this is something that you're interested in, please do subscribe below. We're going to have lots of content moving forward, and we're really looking forward to showing you what landscape design is all about. So I am looking forward to showing you guys what we have going on for 2024. We've got lots of big projects coming up. We've got some really nice estate properties that we're going to be designing. We've also got some smaller yards that we're going to be looking at. Trying to incorporate even some swimming pools into small yards, which is going to be a real challenge. We've got a commercial project that we're going to be looking at this will be new to us. In my previous company, we used to do a lot of commercial landscape installs. But this will be my first commercial project to design. It's not a public space, obviously. I'm not a landscape architect, so I'm not qualified enough to do that. But it will be just for a commercial building and a small landscape outside that. And then we also have lots of other things that are going on in the background. I'm going to be designing my own property. Just recently bought a house, so we're looking at transforming the yard there. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-steps on how I would design a yard for myself. So you'll see, my thought process in that, and how I'd like, to incorporate some, interesting landscape design trends that people might normally shy away from, but I'm looking forward to incorporating it into my own house. So that's going to be another series that we're going to do later on down the road. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to start with this series where I'm going to do a project showcase. We're going to do one project per video if we can, and I'm going to show you just the kind of multitude of what we do. So we're going to start off with a small project that has a lot of challenges. It's an area where this lady, she had a driveway, and she wanted to create a patio as well alongside the driveway. It was a very small space, and we had to basically make a multifunctional space out of this thing. So during the summertime, she wanted an area for entertaining and to sit down and barbecue and the likes. And then the wintertime, because of the snow that we get here in Eastern Canada, she needed a bit more space to park her car. So we had to create a privacy screen that was removable. So in order she could park her car right up against her deck, basically, so right over the patio space that we're going to create. And then we also needed to create storage space for her furniture. So there was a lot of challenges in this project, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the site photos that we took, and then we're going to show you how the design process works. So from there, we moved it right into SketchUp, and I put in the basic layout, and then from there we took it into the 3D rendering software, and we rendered it out, and it looked fantastic. So the client loved it. I think it is going to be built this year. We designed this project on behalf of a contractor here in town, and what we're going to do is hopefully see it be built this year. So that'll be like a progression from this first series of videos. But yeah, if you're interested in this sort of content, please do subscribe and leave a comment if you'd like to see anything further, or if you'd like any specific design tips, or if you want to hear about any other stories or projects that we've worked on in the past. Please do comment and subscribe.